All right, in this quick tutorial, I just want to show you once your video has saved to Drive, you have some share options. So you can copy this shareable link and it automatically copies, and then you can open up an email and you can right click and paste it somewhere. You can also go directly to your Google Classroom and you can post it in Google Classroom. You also, though, have the options to publish to YouTube. So if you cannot see, if all you see is share and download, you need to just expand this menu. And when you click on Publish to YouTube, you can choose to make it private just for yourself or public for anyone, or this is the one that a lot of people like, unlisted, and then just the people who have the link can view it. So if you give the link to your students, then they'll be able to see it. So I can choose unlisted, and then it automatically, notice it says locating your Screencastify recordings, and that's the name of the video up here. So this is where you would write your description so that your videos can be found. So I want to make sure that I put a description about the word Screencastify, and then I'm going to hit upload. And I'm going to automatically get a window showing me here that I can either view it on YouTube or I can copy the link. So if I copy the link and I paste that in Classroom, then my kids will be able to watch it from YouTube. If my kids can't get to YouTube, then I want to use this shareable link. The embed code is for if you want to post it to a website. So when I click on that, this is the code that I need. I'm just going to hit copy embed code, and then I would paste that wherever it needs to go. Share to Classroom, when I click on this, it does not post the video, it just posts the link to the video. So I'm going to choose my class, and I can choose Minnie Hughes, and then I can choose my action. I just might want this to be an announcement because it's just a link. And when I hit go, now I can put a little message here. Please watch before class on Monday. I can select individual students that I want to get it for small group. I can also select multiple classes if I want all multiple classes to watch it. And then I can hit post. And I can view what I've posted. And now here it is. I posted it as an announcement in the stream, so here it is, nice and easy for the kids to be able to find. So I'm going to click back over here. If I want to do more with it, of course, I can hit download and I can use any of these. And again, you can download it and play with it in other apps like iMovie. You can export the audio only so the kids can use it as a podcast. And you can also export it as a GIF. So that would be just the video without the audio. So it's the opposite. And that's it.